okay. You have to stop what you're doing now because it's time to have a break from work or whatever it was you were doing, and we're going to do a few chair stretches. I've been working today and I've been sitting down for quite a while, so I'm just going to lift one arm up, any arm. I'm going to put it behind and touch my shoulder. I'm going to take my other hand and touch my elbow, and I'm going to just gently pull it in, and I get a lovely stretch all the way down the side. Okay, we're going to do it on the other side. So take the other hand, touch the back of your shoulder as far as you're comfortable. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Okay? And then you're going to take your other hand and pull it in. Again, you're going to get a lovely stretch down this side. Okay, we're going to link our hands to the top. We're going to stretch it all the way. We're going to bring it down front. And then we're going to curl our back over. Smells so good. And keep breathing. And we're just going to roll our shoulders gently back. And I know you might have been working like me on the computer. We're just going to roll our wrists. Okay, I do want you to get up out of the chair, walk about, go and do something in the house or wherever you are, because it's good to keep moving and not sitting at your computer all day long. Alright, so there's going to be more short exercises, short breaks for you to do.